Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Raid baiting means assembling a group quickly by advertising a raid location and leaving to let others join. Plan your approach before you arrive so timing and invitations are efficient. Use remote raid passes and local invites to seed the lobby remotely and in person. Communicate clearly in the raid chat so other players understand the plan and expected start time. Avoid misleading language so players do not feel cheated or abandoned by the coordination strategy. Advertise the raid with location, boss, and start time to attract nearby players. Post the exact gym and boss name and mention any Roman 4 or shiny chance. Use one remote pass or invite to start the lobby, then leave immediately to allow others entry. Confirm recruits know to enter before the lobby timer expires to secure participation. Monitor the chat briefly for questions, then exit to respect your planned minimal time commitment. Always be honest about your role and intent to prevent frustration or mistrust among players. Respect gym locations and avoid encouraging unsafe behavior or trespassing for raid access. Limit baiting frequency and prioritize community relationships over short-term convenience to maintain a healthy player network. Offer clear follow-up information like which rewards or counters to use if people have questions after the raid. Remember that cooperative.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.